take a look at these breathtaking images. What if I told you these amazing images were generated using a free AI tool? Sounds unbelievable, right? In this video, we are putting this AI image generator to the test, pushing its limits with all kinds of images, from animation-style visuals to trending designs, fantasy warriors to cinematic masterpieces, and even miniature concepts. And that's not all. We will see if it can create detailed, consistent character images too. Let's put this AI to the test and see just how powerful it is. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. ImageFX by Google is a tool currently available for quick and unlimited image generation. Besides this image tool, Google also has a video tool, but it's not publicly available yet. To get started, click the Sign In button and use your Gmail account to sign up. Once logged in, you will be directed to the tool's simple and clean dashboard. Here, we have a section for entering a text prompt. Let's start with a simple one. A cute panda sitting on the grass. We also have different options for styles and image characteristics, but we will discuss those later in the video. At the bottom, there is a Settings tab where we can adjust options like the seed to generate consistent character images. Currently, there is only one available image model and 5 different aspect ratios. Let's choose the landscape aspect ratio. Now, click on the Create button and wait a few seconds. Here we have 4 images generated from our prompt. Except for this one, all the images look good and realistic. On the side, we also have options for sharing and downloading the images. Let's try another text prompt. A detailed portrait of an elderly man with wrinkles and gray hair. Click the Create button and wait a few seconds. And here are the final images. All of them look realistic, with detailed facial features. Now let's replace the text with a young woman. Next, we will select the camera lens option. By clicking the More button, we get additional style options. Let's choose Realistic. Click the Create button. And here is the result, an impressive high-quality image. Now, let's lock the seed option and generate the image again. This new image looks very close to the previous one. Let's say this girl is walking in a street. And click on this button to generate the image again. While the character is not fully consistent, the AI follows the prompt perfectly. For better consistency, I use ChatGPT to generate detailed and consistent character prompts. Here we have a detailed prompt with poses, outfits, features, and actions. Now I have asked it to give me the prompts for different actions by keeping the character consistency intact. And here we have detailed prompts for different action types. Now, I will copy these prompts and use them in the AI image generator. Let's paste the first prompt and click Create. And here is the final output, realistic and consistent images. To maintain consistency, make sure the seed option is locked before pasting the next prompt. Click on this button for the generation. Here we have the images. And as you can see, the character remains the same across different poses and actions. Let's paste another text prompt. And here you can see the final output. So, by following this simple method, you can generate consistent character images with different poses and actions. Sometimes you may face this type of issue. Don't worry, just tweak your text prompt a little bit and generate it again. Let's see how this AI performs with animation-style images. First, unlock the seed option and enter a new text prompt. A Studio Ghibli-inspired forest scene with intricate details. And here is the amazing result. Now, let's try a 3D animated style prompt. a futuristic robot in a 3D animation style. The output is fantastic. Let's paste another text prompt for Pixar-style animation. And here we have another high-quality AI-generated image. Now, let's test an anime-style prompt. Look at this. The AI does an excellent job generating animation-style images. Its animation-type image generation capability is great. Now, let's see how it performs with cinematic images. Here, I have pasted a simple prompt for an image of a warrior standing in the rain. And just look at these stunning results. Let's try another cinematic prompt. And here, we have another incredible set of images. Let's test this tool for trending AI-generated images. Here I have pasted a text prompt for a majestic warrior queen with a powerful lion. And look at the breathtaking results. Let's try another text prompt, a Viking woman with a giant wolf. And once again, we get incredible, highly detailed images. So you can use this free AI tool to generate stunning, trending images to earn some dollars. Let's test this tool to generate trending miniature-type images. Let's start with a simple prompt, a miniature city inside a walnut shell. And look at these amazing results. Let's try another text prompt. And here we have the miniature house on a floating leaf. Now, let's go even further with a detailed story-based miniature image prompt. Click on this Create button and wait for the final output. And look at these stunning images. Should I create a complete tutorial on this niche? Let me know in the comments. So, don't miss out on this free tool. Start creating stunning images now. That's all for this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.